जो सस्पेंड आसलो ताका हांगा हाडला सो तेचेर तुमचें रिएक्शन कशें कितें?
हेच मॅटराचेर आज म्हाका चॅरपर्सन तांणी म्हाका आपल्या चॅम्बरान आपयलो इन प्रेझन्स ऑफ अदर कावन्सिलर्स आनी म्हाका विचारिल्लें की तूं कितें केलें कशें. सो आय कॉल्ड माय हेड क्लार्क एंड अदर ऑफिशियल्स हू हॅड एक्चुअली डेल्ट वीथ द मॅटर अलॉंग वीथ द फायल. तांकां दाखयली सांगपा लागलो की तुमकां जें पळय कितें तरी मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन कितें तरी आसा तें हांव तुमकां सांगता कशें कितें तें. ताका फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव सांगता की ही इज नॉट रिइन्स्टेटेड, ही कंटिन्यूज टू बी ऑन सस्पेन्शन बट ओन्ली हीज स्टेशन ऑफ रिपोर्टींग. सस्पेंड केल्या उपरांत स्टेशन ऑफ रिपोर्टींग दिवप आसता. तें स्टेशन ऑफ रिपोर्टींग हॅज बीन changed at his request because there was a request from him. There were 2 successive communications wherein he had invited attention to how the injustice was meted out to him by the Marmagaon Municipal Council, enumerating the various facts. The first fact is that which he highlighted prominently, that he was suspended somewhere in April 23 and in January 24 he had met with an accident and he had enclosed all his medical reports and all those things, and he had requested that due to this medical reason he should not be made to travel too far to Panjim, but he should be given a nearby place of reporting station. So accordingly we considered it sympathetically because in successive this he had enumerated that he was not paid subsistence allowance since April 2023. So it's heartening. I mean, it's first of all injustice on that part. Okay. Then he had enumerated so many court judgments wherein attention was invited of this office as how Supreme Court, even Honorable Supreme Court, has even taken the serious cognizance of the matter. So we should not, and also he had given there was a mention that he would be considering to approach Honorable Goa State Human Rights Commission. There have been instances in the past wherein such instances were brought before the Honorable Commission. The serious strictures and I mean human rights authorities had come down very heavily in this matter. So me being in the administration, I was aware of all those facts, and it is not that when a law is existing, when the established law is existing, the law of the land has always to be upheld. Why we should wait for that? Why the person should wait to go to court and then deliver the justice? So the basic fact remains is that we at our level have to consider the case sympathetically, even though it might not have been considered in the past, which it ought to have been. His case is considered now, and his place was changed to not the section in which he was functioning. He was asked to report to the head clerk of the administration department, wherein they get no access to the public or to or any other office matter. Secondly, to keep him off the office matter, he was asked not to be given any work.
But whether
again, I'm underlining his suspension is still not withdrawn, or still he is not reinstated. Moreover, I have expedited the disciplinary proceedings which were stalled for past 2 years. Apart from this, whatever police complaint and police procedures which are given, that is dealt by those authorities separately.
Sir, but councillors and chairperson saying you have not taken into confidence.
See, the administrative head of any municipality is the chief officer. The file need not go for approvals of the chairperson or to that extent. On this, it need to be brought to my notice, but to the best of my knowledge, no.